Alrighty, Derek, here's your 427 small block Ford. We'll give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Obviously it's Borla. Fuel management is by Holley. Great system. Terminator X. Got these custom valve covers, pretty nice, 427 cubic inches. Got the front sup wall pan. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Beautiful front end on it. Make sure the alternator functions for you. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,300, it's 508 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque looks like 528. Peaks horsepower 511. So we're rated at 520. It's got a front end on it, so everything's good. So what we'll do now is we'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you on the exhaust side. And I'm going to show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It's full of technical information. It's got all your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. So highly recommend plug it in and watch it. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. And there will be this card on the engine. It will have your engine number, some other specifications. Hold on to this card forever. If you want to call up and ask anything about your engine, that number will really helps us locate the information pretty rapidly. So have a great day.